What is the best duration for systematic transfer plan? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will explain this to you now.
This is also a very interesting question. So typically why we are doing an STP, we have to understand that because we feel that the markets are at high levels and we are undecided about doing the lump sum investment in the market. So we choose a systematic way of transfer to enter into the market because there are fluctuations on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis. So we should be investing in the market rather than waiting for the sideline to wait for the corrections. And when the correction come, probably you may not be available to execute that transaction. So it's a good way to start investing in the market. So now what is an ideal duration? So I would not say a very long period of time is the ideal duration for a systematic transfer plan. It should be somewhere between about say 6 months to about a year or so. That's the ideal time frame. You can choose a weekly option or a monthly option and divide that money. So now if you are discussing today, so in say about 5 months time we will have an election, and then if the similar kind of a government, so the biggest risk is the election only. If the government comes into power, the same government comes into power, then a 6 month time frame is a good way to look at it. And if you are spreading it to about say 1 year time frame, if the government changes, then also the remaining 6 months you will be able to take that benefit extra. So I think 6 months to about a year is the ideal time frame to look at the duration of STPs, because over a long period of time the markets move up and then you would be investing only at higher levels only.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.